Is it time to buy or sell Nano Nuclear Energy stock? In this video, we will explore Nano Nuclear Energy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified Nano Nuclear Energy as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis have enjoyed an impressive gain of 44.83% since we first designated Nano Nuclear Energy as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.99% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 105.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 65.85% to 169.3%. Our latest daily update for Nano Nuclear Energy highlights a notable fluctuation in the stock price. On Monday, it concluded trading at $25.91. The stock price for Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. experienced a decline of 22.89% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of November, 2024. It dropped from $33.60 to $25.91. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 21.87%, reaching a low of $24.67 and a high of $30.06. This period has seen considerable price movements, with an overall gain of 19.95% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume surged on the last day by 4 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 13 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $346,480,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $37.51 and its lowest at $3.25. Currently, the price is 30.93%, or $11.60, below the 52-week high of $37.51, which also represents the all-time peak for the stock. Today, we focus on Nano Nuclear Energy, recognized as one of the leading performers among stocks that became public in the year 2024. Recently, the company announced a significant private placement of $60 million with accredited institutional investors, elevating its cash reserves to over $120 million. This funding is essential as it will enable Nano to accelerate the development of its portable nuclear microreactor technologies and foster revenue growth. Alongside this financial support, Nano Nuclear has strengthened its leadership team. Former Chief Financial Officer of the United States Department of Energy, John G. Vonglis, has taken on an active role in government affairs, focusing on enhancing the company's key relationships and navigating regulations as it develops and licenses its technologies. Similarly, seasoned banker Darlene T. DeRemer has been appointed as chairwoman of the Executive Advisory Board, signaling strategic efforts to bolster institutional finance support. In light of the rising demand for energy driven by sectors such as artificial intelligence, Nano Nuclear is well positioned for growth. The increasing emphasis on clean energy solutions indicates a favorable market environment for nuclear energy companies. In the short term, the influx of capital and strengthened leadership may result in heightened investor confidence, potentially driving the stock price upward. In the long term, if Nano can effectively implement its growth strategies and navigate regulatory landscapes, it could experience substantial appreciation in its stock value as it capitalizes on a thriving clean energy market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned NNE a buy rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 25th of June, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NNE a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 14th of June, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NNE a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Nano Nuclear Energy stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. For return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nano Nuclear Energy. The Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average, while simultaneously indicating a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance around $25.94. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support near $21.23. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average would generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been observed from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that might impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, November 22nd, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 22.89%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 52 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nano Nuclear Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.77 and $21.45. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this case, Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. finds support just below today's level at $21.77. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.45 and $20.38. This stock may experience significant price movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.39 between its high and low, which equates to 21.87%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 20.40%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy. Should the stock experience an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nano Nuclear Energy is at $27.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already in possession of the stock, this level could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Nano Nuclear Energy faces its first support level at $21.77. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, as a rebound could be anticipated. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.68, reflecting a decline of 4.76%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Nano Nuclear Energy stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, we anticipate that Nano Nuclear Energy will open at 97 cents and begin trading at $26.88. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.